Hi, I'm Vinod Chandan here from Infinity HVAC. Welcome to our channel. I have seen people installing air conditioners really struggle with installation of a drain pump. So in my view, this pump probably is the most easiest pump which can be installed in any of the air conditioners. This is again a diaphragm technology microblue pump from Blue Diamond UK. It's a very pencil type pump. You can just put it inside the high wall unit. One inlet, you have to just connect it, and one outlet. That's it. More information in this video.
MicroBlue, ideal for smaller mini-split units for bedrooms and applications where noise levels are at a premium. The whisper-quiet MicroBlue makes minimal noise in all stages of operation. Option 1. Inside the air conditioning unit. The profile of the MicroBlue allows it to be mounted underneath the drip tray along with the selected sensing option. Option 2. Ducting kit. The MicroBlue can be purchased with a ducting kit which mounts conveniently alongside any ivory or white air conditioning unit. Option 3. Fascia kit. Designed to sit under the air conditioning unit and hide the pump, wires and tubing. Option 4. Remote installation. Alternatively, you can mount the pump in any orientation within a 5-meter radius of the air conditioning unit. Its small body sizes and minimum components makes it versatile for compact installations.
Welcome back. This pump also takes care of those 10 problems. Problems which we spoke earlier was voltage problem, dust problem, air problem, reservoir problem, orientation problem, magnetic sensor problem, noise problem, sludge problem, maintenance, and suction limitation. All these problems are taken care by this pump. The noise level is something like 17 dB. So you can imagine how quiet this pump can be. Only precaution you have to take is the pump at the suction and inlet should be cotton. That's it, and you've got a sensor along with it which can be very useful in case of a VRV machine. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, do subscribe and give us a like. Thank you very much for watching.